12 critical mistakes that ruin your hair extensions. And how to fix them. Investing in high-quality hair extensions is a transformative beauty decision. Whether you have chosen tape-ins, keratin bonds, sew-ins, or clip-ins, you have likely spent a significant amount of money to achieve that voluminous, mermaid length look. However, the difference between extensions that last 6 months and look flawless versus those that become a matted, dry mess in 6 weeks often comes down to one thing: aftercare. Many users unknowingly commit daily errors that degrade the hair quality, weaken the bonds, and ultimately destroy their investment. Unlike your natural hair, extensions do not receive a continuous supply of nutrients and oils from your scalp. Once damaged, they cannot repair themselves. In this comprehensive guide, we will expose the most common mistakes that ruin your hair extensions and provide elite-level advice on how to maintain your mane for maximum longevity and shine. https://12-mistakes-that-ruin-your-hair-extensions/ #RawHairLuxury. #ruin your hair extensions. #hair extension maintenance. #damage hair extensions. #hair extension lifespan.